Now, what was the name again?
Bean.
Bean. And she came from here. She was adopted from here, right?
We got her from Petco.
Oh, okay. Okay. So, how long has she had her lip thing?
It started off really small. We thought it was like a blueberry because we feed her blueberries. And then we just saw it kept getting bigger and bigger. And then, well, I picked her up and then we see her there. So it's probably been like maybe a week.
Okay.
Or
and then you looked it up online, what it could be?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, and I also saw that like around her mouth too.
Yeah, yeah, a little across in the corner of the mouth.
Yeah.
Is this your first time here?
It's our third time.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Good. Welcome back. All right. Well, cheilitis is usually caused by food residue in the mouth between the teeth, bottom or the top. And it's either fungal or bacterial in nature. So I just treat for both. Let's have a look and see if there's anything stuck in the teeth. Apples do not cause those mouth sores. They really don't. If they have it already, you probably don't want to feed them apple or like acidic fruits and stuff like that, but it doesn't cause. That's another one of the myths that's out there. Apples don't cause the mouth sores. It's the food residue that causes it usually. And so don't worry about the apple. Now let's see.
So is it always in the upper lip area?
No, yeah, usually it's between the lips here, yes. And then, oh yeah, there's some food stuck. Do you see here? Just behind the front tooth. You see that?
Yeah.
Yeah. Did you get a good look?
Yeah, she moved, but yeah, we can see the behind the teeth.
So I'm gonna first of all start cleaning the area with a little disinfectant here. And I gotta take the scabs off. And the reason you want to take the scabs off, where did my thing go? Not on my head. Oh gosh.
How about underneath the table?
No, I just had it earlier. Just took it off, but this will work. This will work. Hey, mommy. Okay. There. Good girl, I know. Not very nice. I know. There, we can really see it as well now. See, on the underside of the top tooth, there is really a lot of stuff there, and that kind of, it sits there, and it makes it so it kind of starts to brew inside the mouth, and all kinds of bacteria and fungus. It starts to kind of get yeasty in there. So that's what happens when the food is in. That's why it's always really important to check your guinea pig's teeth. All right, well, let's start with getting rid of these scabs, because that's the first part of treatment, is getting rid of the scabs. If the scabs are there, you cannot really put the medication right on the skin where it's supposed to go to do its job. So sadly, this is not fun. Let me get you a little more light here, mommy. A little more light.
So what are you using right now?
This is a little betadine solution. That's the first little scab. Ah, there's a little more. I gotta get it all off. I am so sorry, little girl. But if you don't get it off, it's not gonna work. Treatment's not gonna work. So this is something you guys are gonna want to do when you take her home, is to get rid of the scabs, because they'll probably grow over again. You're gonna have to pull them off and then put the medicine on. I know, Cuckoo. This is so not fun. Yeah, one more little piece there, mommy, and we're good. Just one more little piece. Oh, I know. You know what I should have done actually is, first of all, giving her some CBD. I forgot. That'll just make her feel a little bit better. and a little less ouchy when I'm doing the cleaning and stuff. There. This is CBD. Do you know what that is? It's the non-psychoactive part of the cannabis plant. And it is an amazing painkiller. And for guinea pigs, it's the most amazing thing that we've discovered. That it does a better job than, often does a better job than the painkillers that the vet prescribes. Especially with arthritis. Just makes them calm down a little bit, makes them feel a little less stressed. There, that's good. That's this little piece, Mama. Here's another little scab here. Alright, well, I'm going to let this soak and I'm going to go and clean out the teeth. I'm going to find my lamp thing, so.
We'll be right back.
Yeah. Okay. Here we go.
So now you're cleaning the teeth, right?
Yeah, I'm going to see whatever's behind there is what's causing the problem, so I'd like to get that out. No, no, it's okay, Mom. That's so ouchy. Do you see how it's all really inflamed inside between the lips there?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, really ouchy. I'm sorry, baby girl. Let me just see what's going on here. Come on, Mama. Okay, okay. Would you mind helping and just holding her hair? No, just like this, my hand here. Yeah, so that she doesn't back up so easily. Okay, baby girl. I'm looking for thrush as well, because they will have that white kind of icky stuff that can happen when they have this. I know you're trying to bite that. I don't blame you at all. That's cute. That is cute. No, don't bite it. No. Just let me do my thing. Let me do my thing. He's like, I gotcha. Alright, Mommy. You gotta let me do this. Yeah. Let's see what the other side looks like. Oh. Alright. Okay, pretty much got it. So now, yeah, I know, she's so frustrated. Sweetheart. I know, this is ouchy, a little ouchy. Okay, so since this is fungal and bacterial, or both, we're going to treat it with both. Neosporin and the ringworm fungal athlete's foot treatment cream. And you want to do twice a day, and you want to do one in the morning and the other one in the evening. Or actually, you know what is better? If you do one and wait 10 minutes and then do the other one. Okay, that's actually much better. So let's start with the Neosporin for now. So you really want to make sure you put it right here where the problem is. And then here in the corner of her mouth as well.
And how often do you do this treatment?
Twice a day. Oh, and for how long? Gosh, you can do it for 2 weeks. Should be enough. There you go. That was the last little bit.
And is this safe to put around their mouth?
Yeah. I wouldn't be doing it otherwise. Okay, so do you think you can do that? It's not too hard, right? Yeah, it should be an easy fix. And then you want to check our teeth, because if stuff gets stuck in the top or the bottom tooth, that's when that stuff can kind of start to develop. So
Is it safe to feed her like everything that we usually give? We usually give her lettuce, carrots, apples, blueberries.
yeah, just don't feed the acidic fruits like apples and stuff.
Okay.
I'm good, thank you so much. Because that is going to aggravate it. It doesn't cause it, but it's going to aggravate it, so we don't want that. But other than that, she can have just about everything.
Okay.
Yeah.
No strawberries.
Yeah, I would just stay away from the fruits because they can be a little acidic. No tomato either. So just stay with the other foods, whatever you're feeding. Just go ahead and just feed her normally, okay?
Okay. Carrots are fine too.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Hi, honey. I'll finish up the rest of your health check. But that's it. Super simple, easy to fix. And that's why it's so important. You always check your guinea pig's teeth for food residue, especially with the older piggies. Though she's not an older piggy, but with the older ones, you really want to bring the lip down all the way down so you can see the root of the teeth and the top as well, all the way up, because that's often where food residue will kind of gather. Yeah.
All right. Thanks, guys. Thank you, Saskia.
You're gonna be fine, little
Thank you,
one.
Bean. You're gonna do well, Bean. Thanks, guys. Don't forget to subscribe.